Mr. B.
His first day at the beach.
Bentley.
Come here.
Come on,
Good
Mr.
boy.
B. First day ever at the beach. Oh, good boy. Come here.
Bentley. Good boy. Yeah.
Just don't sit. Ah, sun's about to set. Barbara and me and Bentley.
Oh, here he goes.
Go get the bird.
Uh-oh.
Gonna go in the water. Yep.
Uh-oh.
Woo-hoo.
He's going deep.
Nah, not that deep.
Okay, you're not gonna catch it.
No chance of that.
Ben.
He's worn out yet?
I don't know.
I am.
He doesn't run this much at the dog park. I think he finds it. Is that a boogie board?
Yeah, it's a little like old beat up boogie board that's broken. I tried to ride it.
Oh, you did?
I tried to throw it in the water and like surf on it, but it didn't skim. I was doing it as a skim board. Mr. B. Come on, Bentley. Okay, time to go.
Oh, good boy.
Good boy. Let's go get our shoes. Woo.